Today we're going to look at how connecting Xero to webSAM can help you take your business to the next level. I've got a job here which I'm ready to invoice, so we can see how quickly the systems talk to each other. Once I invoice this job, a copy of all the information will be sent to Xero, so it's in our accounting system and ready for our accountant as well as ourselves to use. Now the job's invoiced, let's go to Xero and see what it looks like. Now we're in Xero, let's take a look at our brand new invoice. As you can see, everything that was on the job is now in our accounting system, and all our parts are coded to a part sales account, and all our labor is coded to a labor sales account. Now what you don't see in the background is for all the parts, there's also a cost of goods sold entry, and if anything was in stock, it's taken from stock on hand and moved to cost of goods sold. Now, what do we do with all this nice information? Well, it makes it easier for our accountant to file our taxes and end of year financial filings, but also we can take a look at some of the reporting available in Xero. Here's just a quick example of one of the reports that we have in Xero, a profit and loss. As you can see from doing invoices, I'm now able to see my trading income for this month, my cost of sales, and my operating expenses. I can now use this information to make better decisions for my business. And that's how combining webSAM and Xero helps your business go to the next level.
Thank you.